This is the drink that for years thousands of Indian women drink to keep a flat stomach. It's the secret to have a clean stomach without parasites, without fat, and very thin. If, when you eat, your belly swells, you want to detoxify your colon, be flat, and have a doll's abdomen. This recipe is made for you. I prepared for my husband, and he is also flat and no longer has a swollen abdomen. So take paper and pencil to write down the recipe that will change your life. For this recipe, we are going to use a lemon, which we will cut into slices. Lemon is an excellent tool to help you lose weight because it contains few calories and is a source of fiber. It contributes to hunger control. It is a diuretic drink, which makes the body eliminate the accumulation of fluids, thus helping to deflate the abdomen. It is rich in nutrients and antioxidants that help the body eliminate toxins, facilitating the weight loss process. By mixing the lemon with the other ingredients, you will be enhancing its power. We will also use 3 cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon provides several health benefits, such as taking care of heart health, preventing controlling type 2 diabetes, and maintaining body weight. In addition, it also possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help improve cognitive ability and improve mood. Let's use a little bit of ginger. Many people think that ginger is bad for blood pressure, but this is only the case when it is used in large quantities. Ginger speeds up metabolism and helps burn fat, especially fat accumulated in the abdomen. Once our ingredients are ready, we will proceed to take a saucepan to the stove. We will place 2 cups of water. We will add all our ingredients and let them boil for about 10 minutes. While they are boiling, we would like to know from which country and city you are watching our recipes so we can leave you a special greeting in a future video. Thank you for watching our recipes as well. We'll throw a teaspoon of turmeric into the mix, folks. This and all the recipes we make are made with a lot of love to help you find solutions naturally and without spending a lot. We thank you for the great support you give us and for any comments or recommendations. We are here to listen to you. The correct way to take this mixture is every morning, 1 hour before breakfast for 15 days, and in a short time, you will see the changes. You will have a flatter abdomen.